First of all, guys, take a look at this video.
All right, our first objective is simple. Find the target and figure out where that package. I'm gonna follow him without taking notice. See where this armored SUV takes us. He's leaving downtown, so things are getting more interesting. I'm keeping my distance, but the traffic is making this harder. There, he's taking the highway ramp. That was close. The construction site has given enough cover to shake the police, and we're almost at the warehouse. The car has taken some damage, but it's still running. We made it inside, but this warehouse definitely isn't empty. There are armed guards protecting something, and I'm pretty sure we found it. That case is exactly what we have the package, but now everyone wants it. Reinforcements are here, and the police are closing in again. I'm getting back into the car and heading straight for the harbor.
As you can see, I've created a complete GTA 6-style gameplay video using AI. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can create the same type of content yourself. You can use these videos not only on YouTube, but also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. With GTA 6 getting huge attention ahead of its release, this could be a great opportunity to start early and grow your audience. And the best part? We'll create everything using free AI tools. So watch until the end, because I'll show you the complete process, step by step. Let's get started. First of all, guys, I've already prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. Inside this master prompt, I've given the AI detailed instructions for everything we need to create consistent GTA-style gameplay. You'll find the link to this master prompt in the description. And if you can't find it there, you can simply ask me for the prompt and I'll provide it. So first, simply copy the complete master prompt. Once you've copied it, open ChatGPT or Claude AI. Paste the master prompt into the chat box and click Generate. Once you generate it, the AI will first understand the role, then analyze the reference images, define the gameplay environment, NPC behavior, visual style, character consistency, graphics quality, mission structure, and global rules. After that, it generates everything we need, including image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts for each individual scene. For example, in Scene 1, you'll get a complete image prompt, followed by a video prompt, and then the voiceover. Now the first step is image generation. For image generation, we're going to use Manus AI. Manus AI is a very powerful AI platform, and depending on the tools currently available in your account, you can use its image generation capabilities to create the visuals we need. Simply open Manus AI and log into your account. Then go back to ChatGPT. From the master prompt, copy the image prompt for Scene 1. Come back to Manus AI and paste the prompt into the generation box. Then simply click Generate. Once you click Generate, the image generation will begin. After a short wait, your first gameplay image will be ready. And here is the result. As you can see, we're getting the overall GTA-style gameplay look we wanted. The character, vehicle, environment, map, HUD, roads, buildings, and other gameplay elements are all being generated together. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 2 image prompt. Come back to Manus AI, paste the prompt, and generate the second image. Once it's ready, compare it with Scene 1. The character, clothing, vehicle style, environment, and overall gameplay appearance should remain consistent. And here is our second result. As you can see, it continues the same gameplay style and gives us another realistic open-world gameplay frame. Now we simply repeat the same process. Generate Scene 3, then Scene 4, then Scene 5, and continue until all of our gameplay images are ready. The key here is to keep the previous images available as references whenever the AI tool supports reference image input. This helps maintain character and environment consistency across the entire sequence. Once all 10 images are generated, save them properly and organize them in order. Now comes the most important part, turning these images into actual gameplay videos. For video generation, we're going to use Google Flow. Google Flow is an AI creative platform that can generate video from images and prompts. Availability, models, and free credit limits can change over time, so the exact options you see may be different from mine. First, open Google Flow and log into your account. Once you're inside, check the available credits and generation settings. For our workflow, select Video, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, and select the best available model for your account. If the interface provides an AI agent or similar automated mode that you don't need for this workflow, turn it off. Now upload your generated gameplay images. The idea is simple. Each image will act as the visual starting point for its corresponding video scene. For scene 1, upload the first image as the reference. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the scene 1 video prompt. If your workflow includes the voiceover inside the generation prompt, copy the voiceover section as well. Come back to Google Flow, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. Now the AI will use your image as the visual reference and the prompt to create the moving gameplay sequence. After the generation finishes, preview the result. And as you can see, the still image has now been transformed into a moving gameplay sequence. The character can move, the vehicle can drive, the environment can react, and the camera can follow the action, like actual third-person gameplay. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 2 video prompt along with its voiceover instructions. Paste it into Google Flow and click Generate. After a short wait, Scene 2 will be ready. Preview the result and check the character, vehicle, environment, camera movement, and overall consistency. If everything looks good, download the clip and move on to Scene 3. Then repeat the exact same workflow, upload the next reference image, copy the corresponding video prompt, paste it into Google Flow, generate the video, preview it, download it, and then move to the next scene. Continue this process until all 10 scenes are completed. Now, depending on your account and the current free credit system, your credits may eventually run out. If that happens, don't worry. The exact credit limits and account policies can change, so always check the current limits shown inside the platform. If additional free generations are legitimately available through your account or another supported account option, you can continue using those options according to the platform's rules. The important thing is that you keep your workflow organized. Save every generated clip immediately and name them clearly: Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. Once all the gameplay clips are ready, we can move to the final stage, editing. For editing, I recommend using CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all of your generated gameplay clips and place them on the timeline in the correct order. Start with Scene 1, then Scene 2, Scene 3, and continue all the way to Scene 10. Now we can start polishing the video. First, check the transitions between every scene. If necessary, add subtle transitions or short fades so the scenes connect smoothly. Next, adjust the voiceover. Make sure the voiceover starts at the correct moment and matches the action happening on screen. Then add background music. Finally, watch the entire video from beginning to end. Once everything looks good, export the final video in 16:9 at the highest practical quality supported by your editing workflow. And that's it. Using this workflow, you can take a simple master prompt, generate consistent gameplay images, turn those images into moving gameplay scenes, all 100% free, not paid. And remember, GTA 6 related content is already attracting huge attention, so getting started early can potentially give creators an advantage. If you found this workflow useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI gameplay tutorial you want me to create next.